Good morning, Mom. Today, I am going to report my assigned topic. My assigned topic is all about standard deviation. Standard deviation, as another measure of variability, is the commonly used indicator of the degree of dispersion and also the most measure of variability. Moreover, the standard deviation is the square root of variance. In other books have different symbols. In this book, the symbol of standard deviation is SD. Now, the given is SD is equals to square root summation x squared minus CF or correction factor over number score minus 1. First, let's talk about standard deviation from ungrouped data using machine formula. The formula is SD is equals to square root summation x squared minus correction factor over number of the students. Now where SD is equals to standard deviation, summation x squared is equals sum of squared x. CF is equals to correction factor and N is equals to number of scores. Now there are 20 students. Students number 1 have 80 scores and students number 2 have 79 score and students number 3 have 78 score and students number 4 have 77 score and students number 5 have 75 score and students number 6 have 75 score and students number 7 have 75 scores and students number 8 have 75 score and students number 9 have 74 score and students number 10 have 73 score and students number 11 have 72 score and students number 12 have 70 score, students number 13 have 68 score and students number 14 have 67 score. Now, students number 15 have 66 score and students number 16 have 65 score and students number 17 have 64 score and students number 18 have 63 score and students number 19 have 61 score and students number 20 have 60 score. Now, the score of the students add it all. The total is 1,417. Now, the score of the students, you need to multiply it by self. So, now, students number 1 have score 80. Now, 80 times 80 is equals to 6,400. Now, the total is, you need to put it the x squared. Now, 79 times 79 is equals to 6,241. 78 times 78 is equals to 6,084. And 77 times 77 is equals to 5,929. And 75 times 75 is equals to 5,625. And 75 times 75 is equals to 5,625. And 75 times 75 is equals to 5,625. Now, 75 times 75 is equals to 5,625. 74 times 74 is equals to 5,476. And 73 times 73 is equals to 5,329. 72 times 72 is equals to 5,184. And 70 times 70 is equals to 4,900. And 68 times 68 is equals to 4,624, and 67 times 67 is equals to 4,489, and 66 times 66 is equals to 4,356, and 65 times 65 is equals to 4,225, and 64 times 64 is equals to 4,096, and 63 times 63 is equals to 3,969, and 61 times 61 is equals to 3,721, and 60 times 60 is equals to 3,600. Now, kung human na siya multiply, ato na po siyang i-add. So, ang result 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, SD is equals square root submission x squared minus correction factor over n minus 1. So, square root 101,123 minus 100,394.45. So ang kaning 101,123 mao ni ang total sa x squared. So minusan nato og the result of correction factor. So sa correction factor, naa ni siya sariling given. The given of correction factor, open parenthesis, submission x, close parenthesis, squared, minus, over, n. Now, correction factor, mauni ang total sa score of the students. The score of the students, 1,417 times 1,417 over 20. The result is 2007.889. Now, divide into 20. 20 means the number of the students. Number of the students is 20. 2007.889. The result is CF is equals to 100.394.45. So, morning square root 101.23 minus the result of correction factor is 394.45 over 20 minus 1. The result is square root 728.55 over 19. So, ang 20 ganiya kaya ito yung minusan ug 1. So, mao nang over 19. So, square root of 728.55 divide 19. The result is square root 38.34474. Now, the square root of 13.34474 is SD is equals to 6.192313. So, mao na ato ang standard deviation from ungrouped data using machine formula. Now, let's proceed to the formula of standard deviation from ungrouped data using working formula. As I mentioned earlier, the standard deviation formula and its step are almost the same with variance. Now, let's proceed to the given. The SD is equals to square root summation open parenthesis x minus x bar close parenthesis squared over n minus 1. N is the number of the students. So where SD is equals to standard deviation, summation open parenthesis, x minus x bar, close parenthesis, squared is equals sum of the squared difference of scores and mean. And n is equals number of cases. Number of cases or number of students. Now, the students number 1 got 80 score, and students number 2 got 79 score, and students number 3 got 78 score, and students number 4 got 77 score, and students number 5 got 75 score, and students number 6 got 75 score, and students number 7 got 75 score, and students number 8 got 75 score, and students number 9 got 74 score, and students number 10 got 73 score, and students number 11 got 72 score, and students number 12 got 70 score, and students number 13 got 68 score, and students number 14 got 67 score, and students number 15 got 66 score, and students number 16 got 65 score, and students number 17 got 64 score, and students number 18 got 63 score, and students number 19 got 61 score, and students number 20 got 60 score. And the total of the score of the students, you need to add it all, and the total is 1,417. Now, and there is a kuan kaning open parenthesis x minus x bar close parenthesis. Now, so number of the students 1,417 divide into number of the students means 20. So 1,417 divide 20 is equals to x bar minus is equals to 70.85. Now, the scores of the students. Now, students number 1 got 80. 80 divide 70.85 is equals to 9.15. Now, students number 2 got 79 divide 70.85 is equals to 8.15. So, maunang belong siya sa open parenthesis x minus x bar close parenthesis. So, students number 3 got 78. 78 divide 70.85 is equals to 7/15. Now, students number 4 got 77. You divide it into 70.85 is equals to 6.15. Now, students number 5 got 75. You divide it into 70.85 is equals to 4.15. Now, students number 6 got 75. 75 divide 70.85 is equals to 4.15. Now, students number 7 got 75. Now, 75 got students 75 divide 70 is equals to 4.15. Now, students number 8 got 75. Divide it 70.85 is equals to 4.15. Students number 9 got 74. Then 74 divide 70.85 is equals to 3.15. Now, students number 10 got 73. Now, 73 divide 70.85 is equals to 2.15. Now, students number 11 got 72. 72 divide 70.85 is equals to 1.15. Now, students number 12 got 70 is equals to 70 times 70.85 is equals to 0.85. Students number 13, students number 13 got 78. Now, 78 divide 70.85 is equals to to 2.85. Students number 14 got 77 divide 70.85 is equals to 3.85. Now, students number 15 got 66. Now, 66 divide 70.85 is equals to 4.85. Students number 6 is students number 16 get 65 score and divide it into 70.85 is equals to 5.85. Now, students number 17 got 64, then divide into 70.85 is equals to 6.85. Students number 18 got 63 score and divide into 70.85 is equals to 7.85. And students number 19 got 61 score and divide into 70.85 is equals to 9.85. Students number 20 got 60 score and divide it into 70.85. The result is 10.85. Now, the score of the students, we need to add it all. Now, the total is 1,417. Now, close open parenthesis, x minus x bar, close parenthesis squared. Now, 9.15 times, you'd need to multiply it by self. Now, 9.15 times 9.15 is equals to 83.7225. Now, 8.15 times 8.15 the result is 66.4225. Now, 7.15 times 7.15 times 7.15 is equals to 51.1225, and then 61.15 times 6.15 times is equals to 37.8225. Now, 4.15 times 4.15 is equals to 17.225. Now, 4.15 times 4.15, 15 is equals to 17.224, and so on. Basta, ang kaning x, open parenthesis, x minus x bar, close parenthesis, atoan ni siyang 8 times by itself. Now, the result is ibuton nato sa kaning close open parenthesis, x minus x bar, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis squared. Then, atuan ni siyang i-add. Now, the result of open parenthesis, x minus x bar, close parenthesis squared, ang atuan ni silang i-add tanan. So, ang result is 728.55. So, the mean, open parenthesis, x bar, close parenthesis. Now, x bar is equals to summation x over n. So, equals 1,417, the total of the score of the students over number of the students. Now, x bar is equals to 70.85. So, mauni, ang atuan ning gi-divide ang 1,417 divide 20. So, mauni ang result. X bar is equals to 70.85. The given is summation x is equals 1,417 n is equals 20. So, mauni gi-divide na to ganiha. Then, SD is equals to square root summation, close open parenthesis, x minus summation, x bar, close parenthesis, squared over n minus 1. Square root of 728.55 over 20 minus 1. Now, square equals square root of 728.55 divide 19. Now, square root of 728.55 divide 19, that's square root 38.34474. So, ang kaning tapad sa 7, 3 man ni siya. So, ato nang round off, maunang na mo siyang 4. The square root of 38.34474 is equals to standard deviation equals to 6.92313. So, mao ni ang square root sa 38.34474 standard division. That's all po, ma'am, my report. Thank you.